How to send a mass text on iPhone without creating a group message. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you can't find it, just search for it in your app library. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Now, search for and select Send Message from the Actions list. Here's where you customize it. Tap on Message and type the text you want to send to everyone. This is your mass text message content. Next, tap on Recipients below your message. Tap the plus icon and start adding contacts. You can add as many people as you need. Each person will receive an individual text, not a group chat. Once you've added all your contacts, tap Done twice to save your shortcut. To send your mass text, simply tap the shortcut you just created, then tap on your new shortcut message that you just created, and it will send individual messages to all contacts at once. And that's it. You've now learned how to send bulk text on iPhone using the Shortcuts app without creating a group message. Perfect for iPhone mass texting when you need to reach multiple people individually.